there's a bird right here. Leah's playing with a box, and somebody, Trello, came to say hello. Say hello, Trello. Jasher, are you going to get Trello?
Yep. No, Jasher,
It's okay.
no!
It's okay. We'll see if Trello will step up for him. Tell him to step up, Jasher.
Step up. Step up. Step up.
He wants to play with Leah. With her box. Oh, good bird, Trello. Jasher, let's see. Did you pick him up?
Yeah. Get him on the box. Get him on the box.
See if he wants to be on top of the box?
Yeah.
He doesn't.
Why?
Where are you going to take him? Take him back to his cage.
No. No beach.
Okay, Trello. Jasher, take Trello back to his cage. Adventures in Trello Land. Jasher, what are you doing? Go take him back to his cage. Are you dancing?
No.
It looks like you're dancing with Trello.
I'm dancing with a bird.
You're dancing with a bird. That is what it looks like. That's kind of weird.
Did he poop on me?
No, he didn't. But I don't think he wants to get on the box.
Why?
Because I think he wants you to take him to his cage and give him a treat.
Oh, Pidgey,
Go give him a treat. Whoa! There they go. Go.
I'm gonna get
Oh, yep, he just says he wants a treat. He's asking you if you want a treat, Jasher.
And now the booey. Here, give this to Trello. Mommy, film me making lunch.
Are you stirring that for me, Lydia?
Yeah.
Thank you. Are you going to give Trello his sunflower seed?
Mama,
Good job, Jasher.
Mama, can I just
Oh, you dropped it. Pick it up.
It's really hot. It's steamy.
Hey, keep stirring, Lydia. You're doing a good job. Oh, you dropped it. Darn it.
Let me try.
Okay, give him his...
Mom, Lydia won't let me try.
There.
Aww. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching this video. I'd like to take this opportunity to address a question that I keep getting. One person left this question as a comment a few weeks ago. How is the GCC, meaning green sheet conure, when I go to work, my parents will be home with it, I work 11 hours a day. I think the question that you need to ask is, how are my parents with the GCC when I go to work? Birds, parrots in particular, are very social creatures. And what I mean by that is that they require a flock. For birds that are kept in captivity, aka pet parrots, their flock is the humans with which they live. So if you're not there, you'll need to make sure that your parents will be okay with your GCC, green sheet conure, and that they won't be scared of it the first time they get bit, and then avoid being around it forever after, keeping it locked in its cage. I also spend a lot of time working outside the home. However, I have a wife and 9 kids. About half my family members aren't really Trello fans. I have little kids that still don't really know how to handle a parrot, but I also have older kids that play with them frequently throughout the day. Often we'll leave the cage open and let him come out and play on the play top above the cage. However, after a few minutes on the play top, he tends to fly off to wherever my kids are, being the social bird that he is. So with that, just make sure before you get a bird, any bird, that you're prepared not just for its physical well-being with the cage, the food and toys, but also for its emotional and social well-being. Birds are not meant to be in captivity, but the hard fact remains that they're being bred in captivity, so we might as well do our best as bird lovers to give them the happy life that they deserve. I hope this helps. Be sure and subscribe. I try to put new content out every week, so once you've subscribed, click that notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new stuff. Until next time, keep it squeaky.